How do you build an online business making compilation videos on YouTube? So this is a classic method on YouTube that's still working really well today, and it's getting millions and millions of views. So what are compilation videos? It's basically a whole bunch of videos put together to make like a fun montage video, or could be a fail video. So you've probably seen the channel like Fail Army or like a Daily Dose of Internet. All they do is just take other people's videos, put them together, add some commentary over that video, then it becomes their original videos. So these could be like funny videos or gym fail videos, or could be top 10 videos. It could be anything that you want, and there's entire channels dedicated to just this method. So there's this one here called Gold Bridge Compilations, Epic Compilations, Funny Compilations, and they've got hundreds of thousands of views. So what you're going to learn is how to find videos to make. So you're going to learn how to go out and find other videos where you can put them together to make a compilation video. Then I'm going to show you how to add voiceovers to those videos, and then how to optimize these videos for views. If you just do all three of these steps properly, you will start growing your channel really quickly. And these are all copyright free videos, because if you add your own voiceover, that's actually counted under fair use in copyright. So you're not doing anything illegal. As long as you're adding voiceovers and adding your own commentary, it becomes your own original video. So let's get started with this. But before we go further, I just want to show you a quick example. So this is a channel called Daily Dose of Internet, and as you can see, his videos are getting millions of views, and he makes about 2 to 3 videos per week. And if you click on one of his videos, he doesn't really have like the best voice. So this is an ad. So this is how you monetize your YouTube channel, and I'll talk about this later on.
Hello.
So as you can see, it's not like the most professional video, and he doesn't really have the best voice or anything like that. He just puts together a whole bunch of videos together, adds a voiceover, kind of like a news voiceover, and that's it. That's his video, and it gets 3.1 million 1 million views. So you should go check out this guy's channel. It's called Daily Dose of Internet. It's actually got some really good videos, and all it is it's just a bunch of videos compiled together. So it's all like interesting things. So this is a caterpillar that looks like a gummy bear, and this is
He used the parking brake, so his car rolled right off. Luckily, nobody got hurt.
So this is just a video of a car that's about to roll off the side over here. So people watch these types of videos when they're bored and all that, and he's got a lot of videos right here. So I'm going to show you how to take these types of videos and compile them together and make your own video. So what I've done is I've downloaded a few of his videos here. So to download a video, you just take the URL right here, copy this, and go to this website called savefrom.net, and just click on download, and there's your video. And the software that I use to edit these videos is called vvideo.com. I also use another one called wave.video, but this one's a lot cheaper. So just go to vvideo.com and you can make an account there. And all I do is just upload the video here. Just click on the little green icon right here. So this is an online video editing software. You don't actually have to download and then install it on your computer. You can just use it from your web browser. So these are the videos that I've got. So this is the caterpillar video, and this is the it's called Money Scattered All Over the Road or something like that. So I'm just going to take the first video here, and let's say the first video that I want is the caterpillar right in here. So I just move the timeline across, and I see where the caterpillar video starts. So let's just move it across until it ends. So it's right here. So I'm going to clip it right here. So this is the clip icon right here. So I'm going to clip it and then get rid of the previous part right here. So now let's go on further. And this is the golf video, and let's just stop the video right here. So let's clip that part, and let's delete the rest of the videos here. So now I just got this caterpillar video now.
Here's a really rare caterpillar that was found in Singapore. It might look like gummy candy, but it's actually very dangerous and can deliver a nasty sting.
So as you can see, he doesn't really have like the best voiceover or anything like that, but that's his voiceover at the top. We're going to delete that and add our own voiceover soon. So let's take the next video now. So I might take a clip from this one. So maybe let's take something like this one. So I would actually watch the entire video, see what the best clips are.
Out by hand and made a stop.
Let's let's just push it back. I just want to see what this video actually is.
An artist took over 4,000 individual photographs, cut them out by hand, and made a stop-motion animation.
So that's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is just take this part right here, maybe push it back to the original clip right here, and I'm going to delete the rest of these videos here. So now we have 2 videos in our compilation video. Now that's the video so far is 38 seconds long. So now this is all you do. You just keep adding more and more videos to this compilation. So I've got another one. So this one's called Crazy Compilation Videos, Crazy Fitness Compilation Videos, or something like that. So let's just hit play. So I don't know what that is, so I might not take a clip from this one. Maybe I'll take a clip from this one. Oh, that's a fishing video. So all I do is just download a bunch of clips from YouTube and then just compile all the interesting parts of the videos together. So I wouldn't just take videos just from one channel. I would take it from multiple different channels and then add my own voiceovers. So how do you add voiceovers to this now? So what you do is click on this little microphone icon right here. And when you click on record, it will start counting down from 3 and you add your first voiceover. So the first voiceover was the gummy bear looking caterpillar. So I'm just going to add it now. So I'm just going to count down from 3. This is a caterpillar that, so I screwed that up. So if you don't like it, so I just screwed up that voiceover. So if you don't like it, you can just hit delete and start over. So let's just count down again and let's get it right this time. This is a caterpillar that was found in Singapore, and it looks like a gummy bear. It looks nice and friendly, but it's actually really poisonous. So that was pretty good. So now you can just click on this little tick icon here, and that will add that to the video. So now if you want to edit that voiceover, let's say you didn't like the start of that voiceover and you want to cut that part out, you can do that. So let's just hit play and see what it sounds like. So at the start I kind of screwed that up, so let's just clip that start part. And I'm going to zoom into that voiceover, and so that's the voiceover right here. So I'm going to hover over this and delete the first part right here. So I'm going to push this all the way to the start. So right now it's at the end. So let's just start right here. So and let's hit play and let's see what this is.
That was found in Singapore.
So now you can see that you can hear his voice and my voice at the same time. So that's not what we want. We don't want to hear his voice, which is the original video. So we want to click on this little icon right here and make this part a little bit bigger. So now you can see the volume of this timeline, which is this video. I'm just going to put this all the way to 0. So now if you hit play, this is a caterpillar that was found in Singapore, and it looks like a gummy bear. It looks nice and friendly, but it's actually really poisonous. So that was the first voiceover. Now I can add the next one. So you just click on voiceover again, and that's the next one is the whole bunch of the artist who made the video out of the photos that he cut out. So let's just hit play. Record. This is a bunch of cutout photos to make a stop motion video. He is a photographer and an artist, and he made this video as an artwork. So that wasn't the best voiceover, but you get the point. You just kind of look at what he says in the video, and then you just add your own voiceover to it. So don't say exactly what he said, just say it in your own words, and that's pretty much it. So it's kind of like a commentary. So I'm just going to add that in, and it's just it takes a while sometimes to add it to the server. But the next thing after that is you just add some voiceover, background music. So let's just hit play. This is a bunch of cutout photos to make a stop motion video. He is a photographer and an artist, and he made this video as an artwork. So that's pretty cool. And so that sounds good to me. So now what you do is click on this little audio icon right here, and you can add some background music. So let's try this. So if you just click on it, so I like this one. So when you click on it, it just gives you a preview. So let's just drag this in here, and you can make this a bit smaller by putting it in right here, and you can make this audio a bit lower. So if the audio for the background music is louder than your voiceover, so let's just hit play and see what it sounds like. This is a caterpillar that was found in... So the background voice music is way too loud. So I'm going to push this all the way to 30% or maybe 20%. Let's see what it sounds like now. This is a caterpillar that was found in Singapore, and it looks like a gummy bear. So what you can also do is, let's say while the voiceover is playing, you want the audio to be low. But when the voiceover stops right here, you want the audio to go a bit higher. So what you can do is you can push this little line all the way down right here. And you can, you don't need to push it all the way down to 0, but you can push it to like, maybe like 10% here. And when the voiceover stops, you can say the voiceover to go back up again. And then when another voiceover comes in, which is right here, you can just push this voiceover down again to maybe like 18%, push it down here again, and then you can push this back up here again. So now let's just hit play in the entire video, and let's just see what the entire video sounds like. This is a caterpillar that was found in Singapore, and it looks like a gummy bear. It looks nice and friendly, but it's actually really poisonous. So you can see the background music actually went a bit louder when the voiceover went down. So now you can see it go back down again. This is a bunch of cutout photos to make a stop motion video. He is a photographer and an artist, and he made this video as an artwork. So that's pretty much it. So then you just keep adding more voiceovers, more videos. I might even add like an intro. So if you look at Daily Dose of Internet's intro, so all he says is, "Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet," or something like that.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Here's a really...
So that's his intro for every single one of his videos. Nothing fancy, just that alone. Just...
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
So people think you have to make like really professional looking videos, have the perfect fonts, have really good editing and really good voiceovers. You don't need any of that. He just writes, "Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet." So it doesn't need to be perfect, as long as you have like some interesting videos all compiled together and make like a good good thumbnail and put in a good title. And also name your channel like a good name and all that, maybe give it a good description, then you will get views. So if you actually want to know how to optimize your videos for views, I'm giving away my course at a huge discount, which is the first link in the description below. So check that out. It shows you how to make videos, not just compilation videos, but all types of other different types of videos, how to optimize your videos for views with trending topics, with keyword optimization, how to launch your YouTube channel and get it set up for monetization. It shows you everything you need to know from A to Z. So it's a very beginner friendly video. Even if you don't know how to make your own videos, I show you everything you need to know in the description. And I'm about to launch, it's called YouTube Masterclass, and I'm about to launch YouTube Masterclass 2.0, and that will be at a higher price. So if for anyone that buys it at this discount right now, you will get YouTube Masterclass 2.0 at a huge discount for free. So that will probably be selling for like $400, but you can get it for $67 if you just buy it now. So that's the first link in the description below. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.